Hi, welcome back to the channel. Roman's in school, so we're gonna do a bit of vlogging. Me and Mum, we do a bit of time to ourselves, and
Aye, after him keeping us up all bloody night.
yeah, he's been a bit of a nightmare lately. He's gonna sleep about 7:30 and waking up 1-2 o'clock in the morning.
Thinking it's playtime.
Think it's playtime. He started singing singing at 1:30 in the morning, which there has been a video which went on Facebook.
He's going to be a choir singer, I think.
It kept shouting, did you like that song, Mum?
Ignoring him on purpose, hoping he'd go back to sleep.
Yeah.
Happening.
The reason for this vlog is we found photos and videos from when we first started camping with a camper. I bought the camper van just after my uncle passed away, and I found life was too short, so I thought, right, let's get a camper van, let's get out and go and see the bit of Wales and places you don't normally see. So I thought, bugger it, we'll get a camper van. So I went and got that, and I think we'd done it for a year, and then bits and bobs, and then we went into lockdown. So I didn't get a chance to fully get the full use out of the camper van. So anyway, we found photos from, we've been in lockdown, and we got released for the summer, I think it was.
Yeah, we got released for a couple of weeks, didn't we?
Yeah, a couple of weeks. So we went, right.
We could go further afield as well. Not far, but...
Yeah, we could go out of our area rather than where we were confined to the house. So in 2020, this summer, we come out of lockdown in August, and we decided to do a bit of a route. So we done 4 days in one campsite. We planned 3 campsites originally, didn't we?
Yeah, but it ended up with 4, didn't it?
It ended up in 4. So we decided to do like 4 days here in Llanelli, 4 days in Tenby, and eventually finish in Newgale. So we were, instead of coming home, we were packing down, going, because roughly about 4 days, you sort of run out of foods and drinks. So what we planned was, right, we'll do 4 days in Llanelli, then as we drive in, we'll pass a supermarket and we'll replenish. So I'd sit in the camper van, Nicola would run in and do the shop while I'm trying to keep Roman entertained, because he was, how old was he? He wasn't
2.
Yeah, he was 2 years old, so he was at that screaming phase type of thing, wasn't he? Where he couldn't really talk, could he? No, he's only talked recently, hasn't he? So he just wanted his mum all the time.
I'd say a few words.
Yeah, little words, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'd done 4 days Llanelli, we got food, we went down to Tenby, which was lovely, right on top of the town is a lovely campsite called Meadow Farm. Highly recommended if you can get in there.
There's not a lot there, but it's clean, and you've literally walked down the hill and smack bang in town.
Yeah, right in the town
right
centre.
Right by the beach.
Literally about 5-10 minute walk.
Yeah.
And then we shot off and done another food, drink, replenish, and we went to Newgale, which was nice.
Yeah.
If you like
surfing.
Yeah, if you like water sports. Other than that, it's not a lot there, is
No,
it?
there's nothing there apart from a pub, a surf shop, and you'd have to drive to get somewhere anyway.
Yeah, it was a nice chill day, but
yeah.
we went off a whim, didn't we? And we had electric for a couple of nights, and then we were off. We couldn't have electric in, so we needed electric hookup, but up and so we had the solar, so we went off the grid a little bit.
But then friends were due to join us.
Yeah, and that went a bit petong.
Yeah, so they couldn't stay on the campsite, so they had to go looking elsewhere
for another campsite.
To stay in,
which they found.
But then we decided to pack up and go with them.
Yeah, we went, oh, shall we go? We were watching telly on the bed, and we were like, yeah, let's just pack up and go.
We were getting a bit bored though.
Yeah, we it wasn't a lot to do unless you're an outdoor water sports type of person, which I'm not, because I got a phobia of fish. I can't go in the sea, it's horrible. So I like to look at it, but that's as far as it goes. But we packed up and we went to Aberporth then, didn't we? Which was nice really, because
it had a clubhouse, didn't it?
It had a clubhouse, it had electric hookup.
Not that it was busy, because obviously like we
had,
got released for a couple of weeks.
We had showers.
Yeah.
We wasn't in the mud, was we? It had like a hard standing, so yeah, we weren't. And that was 2 weeks of going here. I remember people, I was updating the Facebook page, people going, where are you going now? Because we were just literally packing up and going. It was an adventure. We had, as around here, we had wind, storms, sunshine. Oh, Llanelli was, we'd
it wasn't a good few days, was there? Because we literally arrived there, and then Roman was complaining of like stomach pains, and so I had to take him to the hospital, which he had a water infection.
And we only just got there,
and we literally just set up and got there. So me and him were stuck in the hospital for God knows how long. A hospital that we don't even know. I know it was only a couple, up down the road, but we're not from that area, so
they sorted him really, didn't they?
Yeah, they sorted him, and within 2 days he was right as rain. And then we had that storm.
We looked at the weather app, and it said just a yellow windstorm, it'd be okay. But then it started to pick up, and about 3 in the morning, I think it was, maybe a bit earlier than that, it was howling, and my awning, I was like, oh my God. I said, that awning's coming down. So I went in the awning, and the cooker had blown over, there was water in there, and we had all electric hookup running into there, so I had to get all the wiring out in case you get electrocuted. And the awning then, one of the main beams, which was inflatable, had bubbled out, and it did stay up, but in the end we had to pack it down and just not use it, and that was like day 3, wasn't it? So I battled for about 5 hours in the wind and the rain. Eventually it died down in the morning, and I think it was about 8 o'clock in the morning. I went, I'm having a beer, I need it. Yeah. I've been up all night battling, trying to hold this
3 o'clock in the morning.
Trying to hold this awning to the floor. I pegged it, strapped it to the van, everything, and it just wasn't happening. We looked out the window, and it was tents and awnings, it was like a hurricane blowing through there, wasn't it? It was absolutely crazy.
Bearing in mind, this was August.
Yeah, this was August, and it was day 3 of our 2-week adventure, and we were like, I'm determined we are still staying here. It out. Yeah, we go into Tenby, and happened so we went to Tenby, and it was really sunny.
It was boiling.
It was boiling. It was really nice. So yeah, we made some notes what to do. So we're doing a filming as we go, but we also got stuff from when we done camping in 2021 when we bought the new awning. We got summer 21 when we went to Breen Sands. That was a lovely holiday park. We went back to Meadow Farm.
Yeah, we went back there.
And we went around Caldy Island on the boat. Caldy Island.
On the boat
went
trip.
on a boat trip to see the seals. That was really good. If you've never done it, that is good.
There again, Roman flat out.
Sleeping, yeah. He wasn't interested at all.
No.
Our safari tent we done for our birthdays. I went to France mountain biking, so we got them videos coming up. Camping in Elan Valley, which I was like, I said when we started vlogging, I said, I wish we started vlogging then, not to realise, really we did, because we took loads of photos and videos.
Yeah, we just sat down last night and just looked back at...
Yeah, and Elan Valley, it's literally just over the mountain where we live. And Rob and Jenna got the campsite, and it's absolutely brilliant up there. It's off the grid, there's no electric hookup at the moment, which I'm told they might be coming in the future. And yeah, highly recommended, 20 quid a night. it was really, really good up there. We enjoyed that.
Nice restaurant.
Yeah, nice restaurant up there.
Nice shower rooms.
Yeah, it was pretty decent, wasn't it? And like the freedom, you can go into the tree line and cut down old trees. You know, well, not cut them down. They were already falling down.
Yeah,
so.
and if you're into mountain biking.
If you're into mountain biking, it was people there from Germany, wasn't it? You know, camping out there and going mountain biking. So yeah, it was really good. Also, we went to a cottage in September with friends, farm cottage. And
the cottage was nice.
Yeah, it was. It was massive, wasn't it?
But same again, we had to travel.
Yeah, it was sort of in the middle of nowhere, wasn't it?
Yeah, you couldn't walk to the town.
No.
You'd have to take the car, and it was nice. I think a week was a bit too.
Yeah, I think that cottage for us, because we so used to being busy doing stuff. We're not used to just sitting and chilling and doing nothing away, really.
No, because don't get me wrong, it had a swimming pool, a hot tub, and a park for the kids. But then there's only so much of that you can do.
Yeah. So I'd suggest a long weekend there would have been sufficient, wouldn't it?
Beautiful.
Really nice,
place.
Yeah. Apart from the spiders.
Oh, yeah.
They were massive spiders.
They were on steroids.
We had to hoover them all. It was cobwebs everywhere. It was. I'm all right with spiders, but there was a couple of them that didn't like it. Also, I got a lot of. I started motorbike tours with my ex-army mates, the Lost Boys, and the reason it's called Lost Boys because we always kept getting lost, and not the official 1980s film Lost Boys. So yeah, it wasn't based on that, but we've done various places. So from 2017 to 2022, we've been on a motorbike tours, camping out, living in hostels and stuff like that. It was really good. So I got all them to come as well. If there's any more ideas you'd like us to do, if we can try and do them, like I said, we do. You know, I do mountain biking. We do motorbiking together. We do
a lot of family.
A lot of family adventures, camping. You know, we go away days out. So yeah, we got a lot to cover at the moment.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that will sort of do the intro for us. That's a lot to come up basically, and I've got to do a lot of editing. So yeah. So anyway, we're gonna pass you over to all the photos, videos, whatever comes up. So enjoy. And here's a little sneak video of Roman
singing at +1 in the morning.
Singing at +1 in the morning to us. Have a look. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the photos and videos of what we got up to. There's certainly a few funny moments there.
A bit manic, I know.
So yeah, if you'd like to subscribe to us, just click the subscribe button, please.
Yeah, we'd really appreciate it. Like I said, we're doing it for Roman because he's obsessed with YouTube. Yeah. So we're just gonna put.
He's probably a better presenter than us.
Yeah.
He's like, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Bear in mind now, he's only started talking
since he started.
Yeah. Link up.
Last January.
So yeah, he's this January, was it?
No, it was last January.
Last January. So just over a year ago, he started talking. So when he's on the channel, he knows what he wants to say, but he gets fumbled, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So yeah, he will be back doing his. We're just doing these intros, outros because obviously we got footage to go through. So yeah, if you could like, comment, subscribe.
Turn your notifications on,
yes,
so you get
the notifications.
You can get updates of when we post. We'd really appreciate it.
It would be nice, yeah. So, like I said, we're always up to something, regardless whether we're sitting in the flat or we're out in the park or, skate parks, ramp worlds, whatever, yeah, so we'll go up in the mountains, go for a hike. That's generally we like to do, don't we? We like to
with our cooker.
With our little cooker and kettle, put a brew on top.
Breakfast in the tin.
Breakfast in the tin. People will laugh at that because they know we always eat breakfast in the tin. So it's quite nice, actually. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And
we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon, definitely.